You're looking at your empty wallet right now, thinking you need a stack of cash to be an entrepreneur? Wrong. Let me tell you something, some of the biggest names out there, they started with nothing but hustle. Bezos in his garage, Sarah Blakely hawking Spanx from her apartment. They didn't have handouts, they had hustle. The secret isn't a trust fund, it's strategy. And that's what I'm giving you today. I'm John, and I'm here to break down how to start a business with no money. Zero, zilch, nada. If you've got the drive but not the dollars, don't sweat it. We're diving into the world of creative strategies, smart planning, and turning that fire in your belly into a booming business. Get ready to hustle because we're about to unlock the secrets to entrepreneurial success. Look, I'm going to be real with you. This whole idea that you need a pile of cash to start a business is BS. It's a myth, plain and simple. It's the kind of excuse people tell themselves when they're scared to take a risk. Think about it. Back in the day, maybe you needed a storefront, inventory, a whole 9 yards, but today, the internet is your storefront, your factory, your everything. You've got access to more free tools and resources than ever before. Don't get caught up in the old ways of thinking. This is the age of digital hustle. Some of the most iconic companies started with nothing but an idea and a whole lot of grit. Remember those stories about businesses starting in garages and dorm rooms? They didn't have fancy investors or trust funds. They had passion, they had hustle, and they had a damn good idea. And let me tell you, that's worth more than any amount of money. So if you're sitting there thinking, I can't start a business, I don't have enough money, I need you to stop right now. That's just your fear talking. It's time to shift your mindset. Because in this day and age, your biggest asset isn't money. It's your creativity, your resourcefulness, and your willingness to put in the work. All right, so you're fired up and ready to launch your business with $0. Awesome. Now let's talk strategy. The first step is choosing the right business model. Remember, we're playing the no money game here, so forget about fancy offices or huge inventory orders. We're going lean and mean. The name of the game is low overhead, high impact. That means focusing on businesses that require minimal upfront investment. Think about it. What skills do you have? What can you offer that people are willing to pay for right now? Services are a fantastic place to start. Whether you're a graphic designer, a writer, a virtual assistant, or a social media guru, you can offer your skills directly to clients without needing a physical product. Another killer option is digital products. This could be anything from online courses and ebooks to templates, printables, or even stock photos. The beauty of digital products is that you create them once and they can be sold over and over again with minimal overhead. And hey, if you're looking for a way to sell physical products without dealing with inventory, drop shipping is your new best friend. You connect with suppliers, list their products on your online store, and they handle all the storage and shipping. You're basically the middleman, raking in the profits without the hassle of inventory. Remember, the key is to choose a business model that aligns with your skills and interests while minimizing your startup costs. Get creative, think outside the box, and don't be afraid to experiment. Listen up, entrepreneurs. One of the biggest advantages we have in this digital age is the abundance of free resources and tools available at our fingertips. I'm talking about game-changing platforms and software that can help you build your brand, market your business, and connect with customers, all without breaking the bank. First up, let's talk about social media. It's free, it's powerful, and it's your direct line to your target audience. Create engaging content, build a community around your brand, and use platforms like Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and Twitter to connect with potential customers. Next, we've got website builders like Wix, Squarespace, and WordPress. These platforms make it incredibly easy to create a professional-looking website without needing any coding skills. You can showcase your products or services, share your story, and build your online presence, all for a fraction of the cost of hiring a web developer. And don't forget about email marketing. Platforms like MailChimp and Sendinblue offer free plans that allow you to start building your email list and nurturing relationships with potential customers. Now, let's talk design. Canva is a lifesaver when it comes to creating stunning graphics, social media posts, marketing materials, and even your logo, all for free. For project management and communication, Trello and Slack are your new best friends. These tools help you stay organized, collaborate with team members, even if it's just you for now, and keep your business running smoothly. And if you need help with things like accounting, invoicing, or customer relationship management (CRM), there are tons of free and affordable apps out there that can streamline those processes. The point is, there's no need to shell out big bucks for expensive software or services when you're first starting out. Take advantage of these incredible free resources, learn as you go, and reinvest your profits as your business grows. All right, entrepreneurs, let's talk about the money, or rather making money before you start spending it. Because here's the thing, if you're starting a business with no capital, your number one priority is generating cash flow fast. We're not talking about building $1 million empire overnight, but we need to get those dollars rolling in so you can reinvest and grow. This is where the lean startup approach comes in. The idea is to validate your business idea and start generating revenue as quickly as possible with minimal risk. One way to do this is through pre-selling. Before you invest any money in inventory or production, create a compelling offer for your product or service and start taking pre-orders. This not only validates your idea and proves there's a market for what you're selling, it also gives you the cash flow you need to get started. Another option is to freelance or consult on the side. Use your skills to generate income while you're building your business. This gives you financial stability and the flexibility to invest in your business as it grows. And hey, if you've got a killer idea that you're passionate about, but you need some capital to get it off the ground, don't be afraid to explore crowdfunding. Platforms like Kickstarter and Indiegogo allow you to raise funds from a community of supporters who believe in your vision. Remember, the goal is to start generating revenue as quickly as possible so you can reinvest those profits back into your business. Focus on creating a minimum viable product, getting it in front of customers, and iterating based on their feedback. The faster you can start making money, the faster you can scale your business. Let's be real, even with the best product or service in the world, you're not going to get very far if nobody knows you exist. You need to get the word out there, build buzz, and attract those first crucial customers. And the best part, you can do it without spending a dime. One of the most powerful tools you have at your disposal is your network. Reach out to your friends, family, former colleagues, and social media connections. Tell them about your business, share your passion, and ask for their support. Word-of-mouth marketing is incredibly powerful, especially when you're just starting out. Don't underestimate the power of a simple ask. Offer your services to people in your network at a discounted rate or even for free in exchange for testimonials and referrals. Remember, people trust recommendations from people they know. Get active in online communities and forums related to your industry. Engage in conversations, offer valuable insights, and position yourself as an expert in your field. This is a great way to connect with potential customers organically and build trust. Collaborate with other businesses and entrepreneurs in your niche. Offer to cross-promote each other's products or services, host joint webinars or workshops, or partner on giveaways and contests. Remember, collaboration over competition. And don't forget about the power of content marketing. Create valuable, shareable content that educates, entertains, or inspires your target audience. This could be blog posts, videos, podcasts, social media updates, or even free ebooks or guides. By providing value up front, you'll establish yourself as a thought leader in your industry and attract customers who are genuinely interested in what you have to offer. All right, entrepreneurs, you've put in the work, you're generating revenue, and your business is starting to gain traction. Now it's time to take things to the next level and scale your business for long-term success. Remember, scaling isn't just about growing bigger, it's about growing smarter. It's about maximizing your resources, optimizing your processes, and building a sustainable business that can thrive in the long run. One of the keys to scaling effectively is to reinvest your profits wisely. As your business starts to generate more revenue, don't fall into the trap of spending it all in one place. Instead, prioritize investments that will have the biggest impact on your growth, such as marketing and advertising, product development, or hiring your first team members. Speaking of team members, don't be afraid to delegate tasks and outsource work that can be done more efficiently by someone else. This frees up your time and energy to focus on strategic initiatives that will drive growth. Another crucial aspect of scaling is optimizing your processes. As your business grows, take the time to analyze your workflows, identify bottlenecks, and implement systems that streamline your operations. This could involve investing in automation tools, developing standard operating procedures, or simply finding ways to do things more efficiently. And remember, scaling isn't just about growing your revenue, it's about building a strong brand reputation and fostering customer loyalty. Continue to provide exceptional customer service, go above and beyond to exceed expectations, and build a community around your brand. Word-of-mouth marketing is incredibly powerful, and happy customers are your best advocates. Finally, don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. The business landscape is constantly evolving, so it's important to stay agile, adapt to change, and be willing to pivot your strategy as needed. So there you have it, the blueprint for starting and scaling a successful business with no money. Remember, it's not about having a fat wallet, it's about having the right mindset, the hustle, and the willingness to put in the work. We covered a ton of ground today, from choosing the right business model and leveraging free resources, to mastering the art of the side hustle and building a loyal customer base. But the most important takeaway is this: starting a business is possible for anyone with an internet connection and a fire in their belly. So what are you waiting for? Get out there, start building, and show the world what you're made of.